Reduced blood flow in the legs is a common concern among older adults, yet it often goes unnoticed during routine medical visits. This condition, sometimes referred to as peripheral artery disease, affects millions of seniors worldwide. Impaired circulation can lead to discomfort, decreased mobility, and even serious health complications if left unaddressed. Despite its prevalence and potential impact on quality of life, reduced blood flow in the legs frequently receives less attention than other age-related health issues. As we age, our circulation naturally begins to decline. According to research from Harvard, by the age of 65, blood flow throughout the body is significantly reduced compared to younger years. This decrease in circulation can lead to common symptoms such as muscle weakness, poor balance, and a greater risk of developing blood clots or swelling in the limbs. These changes occur because the blood vessels lose some of their elasticity, and the heart may not pump as efficiently. Understanding these effects is important for recognizing and managing age-related health concerns. Many commonly prescribed medications for poor circulation are designed to alleviate symptoms rather than tackle the underlying issues. While these treatments can provide temporary relief, they often do not address the root causes, such as lifestyle factors or underlying health conditions. By focusing on natural approaches, especially routines practiced before bedtime, individuals may support their body's own healing processes. Simple habits like gentle stretching, proper hydration, and relaxation techniques can contribute to improved circulation over time. Addressing the core factors behind poor circulation can lead to more lasting and meaningful improvements in overall health. Recent studies conducted in European vascular clinics have revealed a significant link between what seniors drink before bedtime and their overnight blood circulation. Researchers observed that certain beverages can either enhance or hinder blood flow during sleep, directly affecting how strong and steady seniors feel in their legs the next morning. Improved circulation overnight was associated with better leg strength and mobility upon waking. These findings highlight the importance of mindful beverage choices in supporting vascular health and overall physical function for older adults. In this section, we'll explore the top 5 drinks known to enhance blood flow in the legs, each one backed by scientific research. These beverages are ranked from the least to the most powerful, giving you a clear sense of which options offer the greatest benefits. As we move through the list, you'll discover how each drink supports circulation and why they stand out among other choices. Special attention will be given to the most effective drink, highlighting its unique properties and the evidence behind its impact. By the end, you'll have a well-informed perspective on which drinks can make a meaningful difference for leg health. We're curious to hear about your experiences. How old are you, and have you noticed any unusual sensations or discomfort in your legs at night? Sharing your story in the comments can help others feel less alone and encourage a supportive community. Your insights might even provide helpful tips or reassurance for someone facing similar challenges. Ginger tea holds the 5th spot among drinks known to support healthy leg circulation. For centuries, ginger has been valued in traditional medicine for its warming properties and ability to stimulate blood flow. Recent scientific studies have begun to validate these age-old beliefs, showing that compounds in ginger can help relax blood vessels and improve overall circulation. This blend of historical wisdom and modern research highlights ginger tea as a beneficial choice for those seeking natural ways to promote vascular health. Gingerol, the active compound found in ginger tea, plays a significant role in supporting cardiovascular health, especially for seniors. It acts as a natural blood thinner by preventing platelets from clumping together, which helps reduce the risk of blood clots. Additionally, gingerol functions as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and promoting smoother blood flow throughout the body. This improved circulation can help lower blood pressure and ease the strain on the heart. Furthermore, gingerol's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce swelling and discomfort, contributing to overall well-being in older adults. To prepare ginger tea for maximum benefit, begin by selecting fresh, firm ginger root with smooth skin, as this ensures the highest concentration of active compounds. Slice or grate about 1 to 2 inches of ginger, depending on your taste preference, and add it to a pot of boiling water. Allow the ginger to steep for at least 10 minutes to fully extract its beneficial properties. For enhanced flavor and added health benefits, consider including a squeeze of lemon or a teaspoon of honey. For best results, enjoy your ginger tea in the morning or after meals to aid digestion and boost overall wellness. Seniors who are prescribed blood-thinning medications should exercise caution when considering natural remedies like ginger tea. Ginger can have mild blood-thinning properties, which may increase the risk of bleeding when combined with certain medications. It is important to consult a healthcare provider before adding ginger tea to your routine. For those who can safely enjoy it, regular consumption of ginger tea may lead to noticeable benefits, such as warmer feet and a reduction in feelings of heaviness. These effects are often attributed to improved circulation and the warming nature of ginger. Green tea holds the position as the 4th most popular beverage worldwide, celebrated for its impressive health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, green tea helps protect the body from oxidative stress. Scientific studies have shown that green tea can promote blood vessel dilation, supporting healthy circulation. Additionally, it has been proven to slow the oxidation of cholesterol, which plays a role in maintaining heart health. These qualities make green tea a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants known as catechins, with epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, being the most prominent. Scientific research has shown that EGCG can stimulate the production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide acts as a natural vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and enhancing blood flow, particularly to the legs. Major studies have demonstrated that regular consumption of green tea leads to improved endothelial function, which is crucial for healthy circulation. These findings suggest that incorporating green tea into your diet may support better leg circulation through its effect on nitric oxide levels. To prepare green tea for maximum health benefits, start by heating your water to around 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, as boiling water can make the tea taste bitter and reduce its beneficial compounds. Steep the tea leaves for 1 to 3 minutes, depending on your taste preference and the specific variety. Drinking green tea in the morning or early afternoon is ideal, as it can gently boost circulation and energy without interfering with sleep. For best results, avoid adding milk, which may reduce the tea's antioxidant effects. Enjoying green tea regularly as part of your routine can help support overall cardiovascular health. Hibiscus tea claims the 3rd spot among the world's most popular beverages, celebrated for its vibrant color and tart, refreshing flavor. Traditionally, it has been enjoyed in various cultures for its cooling properties and as a soothing herbal remedy. Recent scientific studies have uncovered that hibiscus tea may offer significant cardiovascular benefits, including helping to lower blood pressure and support heart health. This blend of rich tradition and modern research has contributed to its growing popularity around the globe.
Clinical trials have demonstrated that hibiscus tea can be effective in lowering blood pressure, particularly in individuals with mild to moderate hypertension. Researchers have observed that compounds in hibiscus help relax blood vessels, which supports healthier circulation. Notably, studies also indicate that hibiscus tea may reduce blood viscosity, making it easier for blood to flow through the smallest capillaries. This improved capillary flow contributes to better oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout the body. Overall, these findings suggest that hibiscus tea offers multiple cardiovascular benefits beyond just blood pressure reduction. To brew hibiscus tea, start by steeping dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy either hot or chilled. For added flavor, consider mixing in a touch of honey, a squeeze of lemon, or a few slices of fresh ginger. It's generally recommended to limit your intake to 1 or 2 cups per day, as excessive consumption may lead to unwanted side effects. People with low blood pressure or hormone-sensitive conditions should consult a healthcare professional before adding hibiscus tea to their routine, as it may not be suitable for everyone. Always listen to your body and enjoy hibiscus tea in moderation. Pomegranate juice earns its place as the second-ranked drink, thanks to its impressive nutritional profile. Rich in antioxidants, it contains unique compounds like punicalagins and anthocyanins that are known to support arterial health. These natural substances help reduce oxidative stress and may contribute to improved blood vessel function. With its vibrant color and distinctive flavor, pomegranate juice stands out as a powerful choice for those seeking to enhance their cardiovascular wellness. Recent studies have highlighted the potential benefits of pomegranate juice for cardiovascular health. Research indicates that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can improve arterial blood flow, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Additionally, some studies suggest that it may help reverse plaque buildup in the arteries, reducing the risk of blockages. Pomegranate juice has also been shown to increase nitric oxide levels, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and enhances circulation, particularly in the legs. These findings point to pomegranate juice as a promising natural option for supporting vascular health. When choosing pomegranate juice, look for options that are labeled as 100% pure juice, with no added sugars or artificial ingredients. Cold-pressed varieties often retain more nutrients and antioxidants, which can enhance their health benefits. For optimal support of healthy circulation, research suggests consuming about 8 ounces, or roughly 1 cup, of pomegranate juice daily. It's important to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medications, as pomegranate juice can interact with certain drugs. Consistent, moderate intake can help you maximize the juice's natural benefits for circulation.